And this Papaler TV Official. Papaler TV Official. Papaler TV Official. Papa Loves TV Official. Hoo-ha! Subscribe and click the bell.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
And this. Dito kami sa Ambassador. Ayun, no? Hi. With the gang. Sama mga prinsipe guys. Okay lang mag-video dito, okay?
Mamaya.
Mamaya. Oh, picture muna tayo, sandali, isa lang. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 more. Okay. Yan, we are here at Ambassador. Radisson ba to? Radisson? Guys, with the gang. Ay, mga prinsipe. Mga pagkain nila.
Hi. You're right?
Is that?
Gambas. Yeah.
Later. Ito, favorite. Ice cream. Tapos,
Can I have one, please?
Sumay ka na ba? Ba't mag-ice cream ka na?
Which one? Hindi, asin mo na kung
Ha? Sumay ka na ba?
hindi pa, pero
Picture mo tayo. Wala pa tayo picture.
sinuot mo na yung mag-good.
Kaya mo na. Parang masyadong makintab. Yun, no? Saan ba? Ano kayo? Share? Ha? Ice cream? Hindi ka pa kumakain, ice cream ka na. Mamaya na. Yan ang pila, guys. Edit po kayo. Ayun. Titignan ko lang yung mga food. Ay siya, dito pa ikot pala. Yan guys, ang dessert nila guys. Oh. Sarap. Wow. Dessert. Oh, shark. Baby shark. Wow. A lot of guests. At dito ang tea wings. Ayan. Mamaya, trainings. Tsaka English breakfast. Mamaya. Pagkatapos natin kumain, mag-ano tayo. Mag-titik tayo. Plus, pero ibang lahi. So, ito yung bar. Ito yung bar. Yeah. You have on the rock?
We don't have elbow set.
On the sand. They don't have on the rock, on the sand. Later, my friend. This one. What is this?
This one is sparkling water.
Sparkling. This moderate.
This one is sparkling still water.
Uh-huh.
And you have soft drinks. You
Oh,
have
okay.
some have oranges.
Thanks, man. Picture, oh. Paliktarin lang natin, guys. Sige po. Uy, wala ba? Hindi na naman sin, Hindi ka na daw, okay? Mamaya naman, guys. Sandok muna kami. Mga kaninja ko, guys. Mga 80. Kanin sila, guys. Burley Hills with the Levi's Jet. Saan na sila mga malas? Tingnan na ako. Kailangan pamila, hindi pwede dito singit. Naimbitahan ang inyong lingkod guys, si Papa Labs at si Mama Labs, naimbitahan dito sa Radisson Hotel. Ayan. Ganda nila magbatean guys. Siyempre kailangan nakabling-bling guys para ano. Parang wala ko nakikita Pinoy na ano, waiter dito tsaka po. Papers, ano yung ano ito? Radisson?
Oh, Radisson Blue.
Shoutout mo.
Radisson Blue, shout out.
Shoutout sa mga
Salamat
Pinoy
sa
dito.
pagkain.
So,
Ano ka na?
eh, saan tayo po? Sige, dyan na lang. Kuha ko na kay soup. Sambak muna tayo, guys. Tapos kuha tayo natin sa soup. Kay Mama Labs. Sama ko muna sila. Kuha kita ng soup. Doon ka sa loob, mas maganda. Diyan ka na lang. Ito yung gamit ko. Guys, kuha muna tayo ng food natin. Ito yung pika-pika nila na salmon. Lagay natin doon. Isa. Ito hindi ko alam. Bulati ba to? Ito salad. Lagyan natin salad. Nikoy salad, guys. This is Nikoy salad. Konti lang, Nikoy salad. Guys, ganun talaga. Pang mayaman ng kain, hindi pwedeng ano, hindi pwedeng ay, amoy ano to? Amoy parang bread. Taiwan bread. Kamusta, amigo? Que paso? Ay, chicken. Yung chicken pa rin. Chicken. Maglagay tayo ng saan ito? Ano ba to? Ang init. Very fire guys, very fire. Wala na sila. Balikan natin tong chicken. Chicken parang hindi chicken, ang liit. So ayun guys, ito lang ang kain na yaman na, siyempre. At else guys, wala na, tinanggal na. Mamaya na tayo mag-dessert. So ayun lang guys ang ating food ngayon. Siyempre kailangan okay. Nakalimutan ko pa yung kutsara guys. Wala. Hindi ako nakakuha ng kutsara guys. Dahil sa bahay na ako kumain, tinola ang ulam namin. Nice flowers. Kaya natin yun naman ang loob. Dito ko ngayon sa... So guys, try natin to kasi kukuha ko ng kanin. We'll try this one. Beef. Siyempre guys, kailangan kuwang mayaman. Konti lang. Hindi pwedeng madami. Ha? Ito, ano to? I don't know this one. Chicken? Hindi ko alam yan. Pag di kilala guys, hindi pwedeng kunin na. Dami na rin tao. Auditorium. We are at the lounge at Auditorium, guys. Ay, bread nila. Three kinds. Baga, nagkukwentuhan pa sa unan eh. Ha? Tagal naman. So, matagal. Pa tayo ng kanin, guys, kasi Gutom. Tom Joe, yun yung brown rice, so wala na. No more brown rice there. Na ano, may dumarating na ulam. Ayun ay, ba't lumagpas yung ulam? Ito, kuha tayo ng chicken. Oops. Yan. Kuha tayo guys na brown rice. Wala nang brown rice. Siyempre, ano lang guys, yung kaing ano lang moderately. Tsaka isang chicken. Yan. Guys, ganyan lang Okay na yan, no? What's this? Tuna? Tuna? And this one is, this one, we'll try this one. We'll try this one with the bread. This one I think is liver. And syempre guys, kailangan ano lang, moderately lang. Ayan guys. So ayan guys, kaing mayaman na naman. Ayan lang guys, ang ating pagkain. Andito tayo ngayon sa kay Papars na Baluarte. Baluarte ni Pablo Escobar. May mga tinapay din doon na dessert. May mga tinapay din pala doon na dessert na no? So, saan ako papwesto? Yan guys, ang complete course. First course, salad with the bread, soup, and ito yung main dish. After that, I have mojito and blue crystal dream. And syempre with the princesses. 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 Ayun no. Princesses. Picture ko kayo tatlo doon. Hindi pa kayo na-picturean. Ma, dali. Pakit daw ng view. Pakit daw kayo. Ayan, kakain muna ako guys. Thank you. Ayun with the princesses. Tonyo, wala ka. This? What is this?
It's the gambas, it's shrimp.
Yeah, give me. Can you put more? Thank you very much. 3 pieces guys. Bilang na bilang. My friend, can you give me one? What is this?
This is
For the taco. Salsa. Okay. Tapos mamaya naman tayo mag-ice cream guys. Can you put here? No problem. Thank you very much. There you go, my gambas and my taco. Taco gambas. My taco gambas, guys. Bilang na bilang pala yung takal ng hipon. 2 lang. Pinadagdagan ko 3. Para I love you. O, tingnan mo yung hipon. Ayan guys, kakainin ko na ito lahat. Hintay lang kayo. Tapos na kumain, wala pang 1 minute, 59 seconds lang. Ayan guys, kumuha ng dessert si Mama Labs. Ayaw na niya. Ito na lang, dessert ko. Ito lang, kakainin ko dessert. Tama guys, so ang ganda ng forma. Tapos banana cake lang pala. Tapos yun nga. Ito pistachio choco with the baby shark. ba yan, ha?
Isang kilo yata dito. Isang kilo yata dito.
Refreshing. Ba? Pero nag-aangay na ganun. Apa ha? Alam mo, hindi maubos si mama yan, kaya ako din ubos yan. Maubusin natin guys.
Vanilla and
Ako na ko kayo.
cheese pa yan, don't cheese.
Pila.
Walang pila sa ice cream, oh. Mga bata-batuta. Una ko kayo. Ate.
Lager sila.
1, 2. Oh, diba?
Halo niya na lang yung kanilang. Papars, pakita mo yung ano mo.
Saan pa? Madik. Dito para kita ko yung mga get up nyo. Tama ka, te. Tama ka. Mamaya na, dyan. Tama kayo. Ayan, 1, 2. Ayan o, mga princesses. Princesses, guys. Right. Okay. Ano yung gumugulong doon? Radisson Hotel pala. I will picture you all. Yeah, everyone. Okay. Here's the flower. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Nice meeting you, sir. Ambassador ng ano? Ambassador ng Portugal.
Yun yung boss ni Papers.
I'm the Portuguese. Portuguese? No, Filipino. Siyempre, si madam kailangan picturean. Hindi pwedeng hindi. May coffee pala doon, no? Dito ka lang, sa may puno. Yan. Oops. 1, 2. Siyempre, ang ating model, ang ating pinakamagandang Mama Loves ni Papa Loves. Yun, no? Okay. Doon sa pintuan na malaki. Ayan. Sa gitna. Gitna. 1, 2. 1, 2. Wala, maarte. Diba? Alright. Tingnan natin yung mga painting. Dito, pipicture ka sa painting. Ang ganda ng ano. May compound. Ito pala maganda eh. Oh. Asalahan ko. Portugal. Dito ma. Embassy of Riyadh. Portugal. Yan. Tawagin mo sila. Ang ganda pala dito. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ayun. Pwede ba mag-organ? Hindi pwede. This is speak. May live band pala eh, oh. Di ba? Oh, sige, diyan ka. Diyan ka, sige. Dito sa gitna. Ayan. Up. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Oh, ganda. Ang ganda ng flowers. Okay. Kasi, matariwa. Siguro nito, no? Oo. Your best compliment. Ambassador of the State of Credit. Ano? Nabuli before this dito ma. Yan po ka dyan. Ay, ganda. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Doon ka tingin. Tingala. Dito tingin. Okay.
Dito sa painting.
Sa painting, so. Laki na ano. May coffee shop dito. Ito yung coffee. Only coffee o finish coffee? Finish already? Brother? Finish? Okay. 1, 2. One, two. Dito ka para kunyari nasa San Francisco, Juanico Beach. San Juanico Beach pala. Okay. We're in. La pala kayo eh. Maganda mag-picture doon kasi may ano yung sa stage. Parang live band. Mga pana. Mga panahon walang tangal. Mancho. Ako sa upo, parang ikaw. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, sorry. You go. Wow. Three of the kind, ha? 3 dimension, ha? Thank you very much, brother. Oh, may nagdadabog dun. Oh, guys. 3 dimension. Nag-order ako, guys, ng ice cream ko as I like. 3 dimension, guys. 3 dimension. Wala silang ano, pistachio with caramel syrup and vanilla ice baby. Ayan. Ayun na. Ayun na. Lonely is the night. Alone in the dark. Dito ka kasi. Layo mo. You can sit, ma'am. You are welcome. Ay, upload. Grabe, ang sarap guys. Ha? Sarap ba? They call it 3-dimension. Oh, akala mo ha. Ako nagpatimpla. Sige pa ma. Ay, may kutsara dyan, oh. Ay, kutsara. Amar. Mga Portuguese yung mga katabi namin dito, guys. Mga Portuguese. A picture, Mamars. Ay, ate. We are with the ambassador. Kailangan lumalakad yung pakending-kending. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Ayun, ayan. Ayan, up, kending, ayan. Ayan, kailangan happy. Ayan, up. Ayan, up. Ayan, up, ikot. Okay. Dito muna kayo lahat sa tabi ng puno. Ayan. Ayun, dinadaan na lang tayo. Ayan, tama kayo. Sayang, hindi natin inabutan yun. Sama pa kayo. Ayan, okay. Mga celebrity guests. Ayan, guys. Dito kay Papa Labs. 1, 2. Ay, ang gaganda. Okay. Tapos paglalakad po kayo dito, kailangan cross leg, gano'n, no? Ayan. Up. Dito. Ayan. Dyan. Solo muna, solo. Uy, Neng, lumagpas ka na. Ito. Diyan ka lang muna, Neng. 1, 2. Sige lang, okay, nakabag. 1, 2. Ayan. Up, 1, 2. 1, 2. Next. Kayo, kuya, kayong dalawa po. Ayan, no? Next. Kayo po. Ang dalawa. Ha? Naku, dalawa na yung buong cabinet. Ay, ipakita mo na yung korikong mo. Huwag ka na mahiya. Ganon. Ay. Pakita yung korikong. Nakatingin sa ila to. Sabi niya, yun ba yung ni Edwin? Ayan. Dito. Oh. Parang Tommy. Okay po, kayo dalawa. Sige po. One, two. One more, 1, 2. One more, 1, 2. Sa bewang po, hawak sa bewang. Hindi, si tatay sa bewang, yan. 1, 2. Ayun, no? Ay, isa pa sa akin. 1, 2. Ayan, taas mo po yung paa. Ayun, no? Right. Thanks.
Kayo.
Okay, tatlo. Yung tatlong angels pa po muna. Naku, meron na kami kanina. Nauna kami. Yung bunso sa gitna. Up. Step. Hindi. One side lang muna. One side. Kabila ka. Ayan. 1, 2. Next side. Talikod, talikod. Hindi, talikod tapos nakaganon. Oo. Ay, hindi pala alam yung gano'n. Ay, yung gano'n, no? Kabilaan, magkaside kayong dalawa. Ayan, kabila ka naman side. Oh. Mamar, sa gitna ka, Mamar. Sa gitna ka. Oh, sa gitna ka. Ayaw mong gumit na, bahala ka. Ayan. Ay, yung matanda daw sa gitna. Ayan. Hop. Charles Angel, Charles Angel. Oh. Amanda Page. Amanda Page.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oy, pagka ano, bengang-benga yung legs, oh. O yung kurikong nakalibas. Oh, dito, Mars, dito. Ibrahim.
Sila po na sila.
Oh, sila mag-boyfriend eh. 1, 2. Okay. Oh, kami na papars. Papars tayo. Wala tayo. Uy! Uy! Ano na papars? Ano na?
Ano to? Camera na to? Hindi yata to camera, Papards. Papards! Naka ano?
Hindi mo live puti, papars.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile.
Dalawa lang.
Wait. Oh.
Pilin yun. Ang daming pilin.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Thanks. Ito nga.
1, 2.
Si Wancho, tawag ka, Wancho. Ayun, oh. Dito kami tumugtog, guys, ng Beatles. Imagine all the people. Dito ka. Picture kita sa gitna. Oh. Ayan, dyan. 1, 2. Okay. Dondo dress yan, no? Dondo dress, oh. Okay. Okay. Tama, dito ka. Okay, tatlo, eh. Mga singer, doon dapat kayo sa stage, oh. Dali. Hanggang di pa nililigpit. Dali. Hanggang di pa nililigpit. Kunyari, audience ako. Dali, doon kayo. Faster. Alam mo, okay, you put here, I will picture it. Okay. You can go in the middle to show the Alamanata. Okay, 1, 2. Very good. Thank you. Okay, tatlo. O di yung gitara, sino magigitara? Ayan na, 1, 2. Hala, pose. Palit. Kanya-kanya. Ito na rin pinakita ko rin kung. Palit. Sa gitna naman si Chen, sa gitna. Belat. Kala nyo, panis. So yun guys, tapos na ang kainan. Thank you guys for watching. Ito ba si Amba? Ito tayo. Oh. So yun guys. Chairman. Yun guys. Ayaw mo sila. Parang tangan si Papers mo, ay tulungan yung boss niya. Papers, tulungan mo, hindi yung nakatangkal. Diyan kayo sagdan, diyan kayo sagdan. Tatlo kayo yan. Dito sa red carpet sana. Sabi mo siya ate. Ayan. Di dapat nakaganin yung paan nyo. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, you can go. Yeah.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe.
Yes. 1, 2. Nako, for artista na. Million views from YouTube. 1, 2. 1, 2. Thanks. Ayan. Dito. Red carpet. No, it's okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Dito, red carpet.
Is it Mr.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Ha? Kanya-kanya na, ganon? Ay. Maganda doon sa ano? Sa red carpet, nakaganon kayo lahat, oh. Mr. Muhammad, I take your WhatsApp already. I receive it. 1, 2. Ay, naku, huwag na isali yung may kurkong na yan. Oh. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yan, dami. Yan. Okay. Next. Red carpet. Ha? Gusto mo sa soldier magpa-picture? Ancho. Ganun mo yung paa. Lapas mo. Pakita mo. Ganun no. Ancho. Oh. Ancho. Yun no. Lang hinihintay nila doon. Okay. Yan, bye-bye. Yan guys. Tapos na event. Thank you for watching guys. God bless. Here at Embassy of Portugal. Yan. Sabi ng waiter doon, are you Portuguese? Yeah, no, I'm Filipino. Natala pala ko dito ako tatrabaho. Sige. Guys, bye!
Ano siya nagtatanggal.